Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am on Lake Pend Oreille in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho. I'm out here on the lake. I hauled out 12 cook stoves, and this is like so cool because I am able to burn multiple stoves at the exact same time and show them to you guys. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Today I'm going to do a product comparison between the beautiful Guliver Cookstove and the beautiful JA Roby Marmiton. So here we go. Number one, the JA Roby Marmiton is going to be an EPA approved model, and the Guliver does not have any EPA certification. However, it does meet the efficiency levels to qualify for the 30% biomass federal tax credit that is available in the United States. That tax credit allows you to write off the cost of the stove, the cost of the chimney pipe, installation cost as well, up to a total of $6,800. So do keep that in mind. That's a huge selling point on the Guliver. Number two comparison. Here you can see that the Guliver is sitting on this pedestal base. It does have a drawer that pulls out here below. You can put like pans, you could put kindling down there for storage. Over here on the JA Roby on the Marmiton, this drawer here is actually your ash pan, okay? So you're kind of lacking that extra storage. The Marmiton has a sister model, which is the exact same stove, but it's called the Elda, and it would be on the pedestal base. So if you prefer the pedestal base over the other, then both models here, the Guliver and the JA Roby, could be available in that pedestal. Next comparison is the Guliver does have a little bit more cast iron components on it. It has the cast iron cooktop as well as the cast iron doors. Some customers do prefer to cook on the cast iron versus the steel cooktop that the JA Roby has. So that is something to keep in mind. Now, JA Roby does have an optional cast iron cook plate. It is an enamel dipped cook plate that can sit on top of the stove. I do want to throw out a disclaimer that our cook plates are not perfect. They are cast and then they're like literally dipped in porcelain. And sometimes there are imperfections. We cannot guarantee a perfect cook plate if you make a purchase. So please keep that in mind prior to purchasing any cook plate options. In addition to that, you can see that the Guliver features this beautiful warming oven. The Marmiton is available in an additional model with the backsplash here as well, the backsplash and the warming oven. So you can have it on the legs with the backsplash and warming oven, and then the pedestal base, which would be the chief, with the backsplash and the warming oven. So if you're looking at the warming oven and you prefer that, that would be available on the Guliver or the JA Roby Cookstove line. All in all, for heat output, the JA Roby here will heat about 2,000 square feet. Honestly, I would say in my experience with the Guliver, it's capable of heating about 1,800 to 2,000 square feet as well. The Guliver will burn about 7 to 8 hours, where you will get about a 9-hour burn time over here out of the Marmiton. So you are going to get a slightly longer burn time here because of that tighter air control that the JA Roby stove offers. All in all, I really do love both models. They're excellent stoves. They're both built very well, but I just want to point out some key differences to help you guys in your decision making as you're shopping for cook stoves. So if you guys have any questions or any other videos you guys would like me to do, drop them in the comments. As always, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Even better yet, if you know somebody who would be interested in my content, in my products, in my videos, please share them with your friends. Sharing my content really helps spread the word about my business, and it helps me out so much. As always, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell for all my latest video updates. Thanks for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.